In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a website hosted on Godaddy in just about 5 minutes. Having a great website is pivotal for anyone looking to have an online presence, and sometimes you need to make updates or changes to keep it fresh and engaging. Thankfully, Godaddy offers a user-friendly platform to make these edits, and I'm here to walk you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to sign in to your Godaddy account. To do this, head over to the Godaddy homepage. Once you're there, look for the sign in button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Upon clicking the sign in button, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. This is a straightforward step where you type in your username and password that you've set up with your Godaddy account. It's essential to input this information accurately to avoid any sign in issues. After you've entered your username and password, it's time to click on the sign in button once more. This action will verify your credentials and grant you access to your Godaddy account dashboard, where all the magic happens. Navigating through the Godaddy dashboard is quite intuitive. Now that you are logged in, the next step involves locating your profile photo. This can usually be found at the top right corner of the dashboard. This small image serves as a gateway to your profile settings and products, so go ahead and click on it. After clicking your profile photo, a drop-down menu will appear. Here you'll need to select My Products. Godaddy organizes all the services you've purchased from them under this section, making it easy to find what you're looking for. Upon accessing My Products, your next move is to find the Websites plus Marketing section. This is where Godaddy lists all your current websites hosted on their platform. Look for this option and give it a click to see your website details. In Websites plus Marketing, you should see a Manage button next to the website you wish to edit. This button is crucial because it takes you directly to the control panel of the website, allowing you to make any necessary changes to your site. Once you're in the management section of your website, look for the Edit Website option. This is your gateway to starting the actual editing process. Clicking on Edit Website will launch the website editor, a tool designed to make website customization both simple and enjoyable. Now this is where you can let your creativity flow. The Godaddy website editor provides you with a host of tools and options to tweak your website to your heart's content. Whether you need to update text, change images, or modify the layout, the editor makes these tasks accessible to users of all skill levels. As you navigate through the editor, remember that the changes you make will not be live until you choose to publish them. This gives you the freedom to experiment and tweak different aspects of your website without immediately affecting the live site. Once you're satisfied with the updates, look for the Publish button to make your changes visible to the world. Editing your website on Godaddy is a straightforward process, but it doesn't hurt to take your time to familiarize yourself with all the features and tools available in the website editor. With a bit of practice, you'll find that maintaining and updating your website is not just easy, but also quite enjoyable. And there you have it, the step-by-step guide to editing your website hosted on Godaddy. Remember, a well-maintained website is crucial for keeping your online presence vibrant and engaging. By following these steps, you can ensure your site remains up to date and reflects your latest content, promotions, or branding changes. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful guides and tips. Happy editing,